Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the new, ARM PCs, the ones especially with the Snapdragon X Elite and X series is out. And what also was important is that Microsoft had instructed everybody to remove the recall, to make sure that the recall feature was removed before they actually sold the first PCs. And of course, there's a lot of reviews from people that are gamers, particularly, because Qualcomm had said that the Snapdragon was a game class performance CPU. So, of course, one of the first things that a lot of people out there wanted to try is the gaming capabilities. And what happens is that it is really not what anyone thought. It doesn't seem to perform that well with games. I mean, if you're not someone that's, expecting huge resolutions and frame rates, it might work. But most people that have tried it with some of the games say that it is not performing very well in the games department. And this is kind of a big hit because if you advertise that it's game class performance, you have to understand that people will buy this and want to have game class performance. Now it isn't, and it doesn't seem to be the case. So these are the first observations of the new Snapdragon X series. We'll see if there's anything more. We'll look at also standard performance. I'll come back with another video and go through the different reviews of people that use it from day to day. I would expect that even if game class performance might not be there, the standard day-to-day use of the Snapdragon X Elite PCs probably are going to be fine. But we'll need to have more tests and more done before anybody can say that this is what is going to be a game changer. One thing for sure is that it's not going to be a gamer's game changer. This is, gamers are going to go back to Intel or AMD and their NVIDIA chips and so on. We'll see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.